I probably will.
Yeah.
Better than addicted to anything else, right?
I may never play Xbox again.
There you go. There you go.
Yep.
All right, look, man. Boy, you put the hook in him. All right.
Oh, wow.
Stand here and bark.
Redo this. All right, look, I'm just going to hold him out in front of you so you can take a picture with him.
Mom would have brought the
I got him on YouTube right now.
Oh, yeah? Man, you got to talk and tell him how you caught him.
How you catch the fish, man?
What, you caught him on what? A mini spin, right?
Listen to it was kind of like a fish that
Oh, that thing is huge.
whenever you put it in water, it like moves around.
It imitates a brown. And bass, they come up, and they just can't stand it, son. And that's how they end up in my hands. If we weren't in a sanctuary, this fish right here, that would be a nice fillet right there, wouldn't it, man? Forget him, boy. All right. Give him a kiss. Let him go. you don't have to do the kiss club yet. You can join that later.
Join the kids club later, man. But right now, you caught your second fish, huh?
Of the
Hey,
day.
look.
Of the day.
There's 2 fish right there alone with feed. The 4 of us. Cut them up in nuggets. Have fish nuggets.
That's awesome,
There's
boy.
about 4 or 5 this time. Yeah, we missed a big one, man. He come up and missed it.
Like barely, like
Stocking your pond up. You got 2 new fish.
2 new fish in the pond.
he barely bit it like this, then he let go.
He wasn't sure if he wanted it. He come up and just mouthed at it. He got that hook.